Hi beauties, welcome back. As someone who has struggled with dry skin and a lackluster complexion, I'm always on the lookout for skincare products that promise hydration and radiance without feeling heavy or greasy. Enter Anua Peach 77 Niacin Enriched Cream, a true game-changer in my skincare routine. From the moment I applied this cream, I was impressed by its lightweight, pudding-like texture that effortlessly glided onto my skin. Unlike other moisturizers I've tried, it absorbed quickly without leaving any sticky residue behind, which is a huge plus for someone with combination skin like myself. The star ingredient, 77% Prunus persica peach fruit extract, truly lives up to its promise of giving my skin a healthy, dewy glow. Not only does it provide intense hydration, but it also helps to improve my skin's texture and revitalize my complexion. Plus, knowing that it's infused with ceramide, collagen, and panthenol gives me peace of mind knowing that my skin is getting the nourishment it needs. What sets this cream apart from others is its multitasking abilities. Not only does it hydrate and nourish my skin, but it also works wonders in minimizing the appearance of pores, evening out my skin tone, and boosting collagen and elastin production. And let's not forget about the added benefits of niacinamide and galactomyces, which help to combat signs of aging and soothe irritated skin. Overall, Anua Peach 77 Niacin Enriched Cream has become a staple in my skincare routine. Whether I'm dealing with dry patches or just need a boost of radiance, this cream never fails to deliver. I highly recommend it to anyone looking for a moisturizer that not only hydrates but also addresses multiple skin concerns. Trust me, your skin will thank you.